start choking up and shedding a tear, it's going to be amazing because we've got the best of the very best of my friends from 25 years here helping with the show. Some of the driving. Normally driving this is Kaylee. They're from Forest Grove, Oregon. She could not make it tonight. Chuck Jordan owns the machine. With health reasons, he's chose not to drive tonight. But this is a young man that started many, many years ago for me. He's from Nebraska. Please put your hands together for Smiling Skeevy Smith.
Look at, do you see your guy down there? Say hi, Tyler.
Hi, Tyler.
Just a couple more things and we're going to get going, folks.
Do you see him?
How many people have been coming here to the monster truck shows and mud bogs for the last 20 years? So people really been around. I know there's people here for the last 20 years. A gentleman that we started all this years ago, his name was Crazy Charlie Crosley. And he used to blow himself up in the outhouse. I don't know if any of the folks have been here for a long time remember Crazy Charlie, but he passed away this year, and we just want to say that keep doing this, man. If you go to YouTube, do some of the shows, Crazy Charlie had a song. We don't have it queued up here with the sound. We had a little glitch. I wanted to play in remembrance of Crazy Charlie. Some of his monster truck rap he sang right from his truck, and he's no longer with us. So enough said. Crazy Charlie, man, we miss you. What we're going to do right now, folks, if you can please stand, we're going to take a moment of silence. Remove your cover.